Now, the National Weather Service is stopping just short of calling this a blizzard, correct?
Yes, so currently we are only seeing the winter storm warning and the winter weather advisory. I'm going to pull up a graphic here in just a moment, so it's an explainer of exactly what a blizzard is, the different conditions that you would expect when you're talking about what is a blizzard warning. The criteria there would be winds that would be sustained or frequent gusts of 35 plus miles an hour. That would create visibility issues that would go down to about a quarter of a mile or less. And that would be sustained for 3+ hours, so at least 3 hours. And that's where I think that there might be a little bit of a hang up here, because here's what we're seeing for visibility. It does look like by about 10 p.m., even just this evening, we could see fog developing. This would create visibility that would be below a quarter of a mile for many of us. Into tomorrow morning, it's the snow that's really going to make the main issue. So visibility that for many of us still, it could be below a mile. But I do think that we could end up seeing at least things trying to clear out further inland a bit as we're getting into late tomorrow morning. That does not mean that this is going to be low impact by any means. This is still a very high impact system on the way because of this issue with visibility and, of course, with the blowing snow. So talking about this, really breaking this down, Monday all day long is when we're seeing the 13 weather impact alert. This is going to be the worst during the morning commute, though. So as you're getting out the door Monday morning, you want to plan for that plenty of extra time. Roads are going to be pretty tricky out there. The impact is from this winter storm, a strong winter storm, heavy snowfall at times, and also strong winds, once again gusting up to about 55 miles an hour, strongest near the lakeshore. Near blizzard conditions is what we are expecting out of all this. You are going to want to be prepared for difficult travel, expecting whiteouts from all of this. And of course, we are also talking about that concern for power outages. Once you get those stronger winds, that does become an issue as well.